know you.
'Cause baby, I don't know better.
Baby, I know you.
Baby, I know.
Baby, I know you.
Hi guys, we're back and better. Where are we going?
We're going, guys. But then we go in Banner.
We're going to Canada. Right now, it's, I don't know what day it is. I don't remember what day it is. Friday. Today is Friday. We're in Alfred. We're back at Sid's old school. And then after that, we made a pit stop here last night. And then after that, we're getting gas right now. And then we're going to drive to Buffalo to meet up with our other friends. His friends. But I borrow them as my friends. And then after that, we're going to make our way to Canada.
No. Look at this dog. This dog was racist.
Oh my God. Gonna catch up with you guys later. We made it.
Barely.
They didn't want us to make it, but we made it. We have our friend Sean. Say hi, Sean. I don't know what that means, but please don't fight me for it. Okay, guys, so we got to our house in Canada, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick house tour. Okay, hold on. How do I flip the screen? Okay, so we got the front door. We got the living room, and then we have a little bathroom here, and we have James, and then we have the kitchen and Sean, and then we have a bedroom here. I don't.
Sorry about your wings.
Oh, there's a closet.
Yo, look at that small TVs and all that.
Oh, we got extra pillows.
What? Don't tell nobody that. Take it.
Take mine for me. Take it for me. So then we have the dining room, and then we have a little workspace, TV, backyard. Sean just stole some pillows for us. Oh my God, I can't wait to show you guys upstairs. So excited. This is Sid, is this your room?
Yeah.
This is Sid's room.
Oh, nah, you stay there.
This is James's room. This is Trey's room.
Oh, this is my room right here.
This is Sid's room. Oh, and he's got the little, look at the ceiling. Let me get out of here. Okay, and then we have another bathroom here, the full bathroom. And then have another room down the hall. And it has 2 beds. And this is my room. I have the biggest room. They gave me the master bathroom. Actually, Sid gave me the master bathroom. Look at my walk-in closet. And look at my bathroom. Look at my shower. Fabulous. Look at where I'm sitting. Look, I'm so happy. All right, well, we're gonna get settled in. I think I'm gonna end up talking to you guys. Let me face here. So I'm gonna get settled in. We're waiting for the other guys to come. We also have Vince and Amari coming. And Amari was also on the last trip. So I'm gonna get back to you guys later. Gonna get settled in, cozy, comfy. I'll probably get back to you guys later tonight or tomorrow morning and catch you up. So yeah, I'm in Canada. My first trip out of the country besides Haiti. So mama, I made it. Ow, I hurt my ankle. All right, bye. Good morning, guys. I no longer have a voice. I didn't realize I was screaming so much yesterday. So it's Saturday, it's about 11:15, and the guys are downstairs I just woke up myself and we're gonna go out for breakfast. I'm in my walk-in closet because I'm special, you know. So we're gonna go out for breakfast. We're going to the casino. So right now I'm just gonna quickly just straighten a few strands of my hair. Although I really don't need to. If anything, I should just braid it or keep it in a ponytail and let it come out. So we're gonna go get breakfast, then we're gonna go see Niagara Falls, then we're gonna come back to the house, take a nap, then go back out, probably go shopping, then after that go out to the club again. So guys, say hi. Oh, my phone almost fell. Oh, my hair's in the all right, say hi.
How you doing?
No gang talking this time. I was recording my vlog yesterday, and Sean's here just throwing up gang signs. I'm like, I don't know what that means. Please don't come after me. Oh, here's the other guys. Good morning.
I don't know how to drive, bro.
Give me. I want a job.
Guys, it's Amari, but he's leaving. That's why he's so fat. Ew. Those are both his. Oh my god, this is just butts. Oh my god.
The fastest, the greatest.
Guys, we're at the end of our trip. I forgot to record us leaving Canada, but it was a good time, so I didn't feel like really recording. Sid is bittersweet, leaving his second home. Sid and I are gonna get a house in every place that we visit, so that way when we're we're wealthy, of course, so that way we have staycation homes.
Facts.
Right? No such thing as Airbnbs. We own it. We're back in Buffalo, and then we're gonna Sid has had this disgusting laugh the entire trip, and I've hated it the entire time, and now I don't know how to laugh like a normal person anymore. So we're gonna meet up with Amari. We're in Buffalo. Made a pit stop before going back home. I think we're gonna spend another day here before we have to go back to our adult lives. So that's pretty much it. I don't think I'm gonna record anything else. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Fucking hate them. Oh, that's the picture.